everybody, and welcome back to another video. My name is Lori, and if you are a returning subscriber or viewer, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome too. I'm quirky, I'm weird, I have a lot of fun, but I have an alter ego, and she shows up once in a while, or she gets blamed, and you'll learn about her too. So anyway, the box I want to share with you guys today is it's Glow Addict. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it. This is it. It is a month-to-month beauty box subscription. I had them for approximately, it was over 2 years. I do know that for a fact. It's been over 2 years. Now this says it shipped on October 8th, meaning it is the October box. So this is one of the very last ones that I received. I did not film the October XL, but this is their beauty box. There's a beauty bag, there's a beauty box, there's a skincare box, and then there's the XL. This is the Glow Addict beauty box. For October, you do not get a card, so you'll have no idea what's inside this thing, nor will you know any prices. It is just like the one that I shared with you when I did Mask Monday, when I said, hey, let me just share. Nope. I'll be damned. That was Slay Glam. Look at, there's two companies that pissed me off. That's what they do. They jerk my chain. And what happens when you jerk my chain? I cancel. That's just, I've got nothing else left. The only option is I'm done with you. So I'm really easy to please. But for the most part, when it's my money, I don't like to be jerked around. So anyhow, the first item is the Matte Attraction Lipstick. Now I gotta throw my glasses on. Thanks a lot. It's not you, it's her. I don't know how many alter egos I've got in this room with me, but apparently there's one on each side. Okay, this is by Base Blue. Base Blue is actually a really cute company. They've got some pretty nice, unique, very unique products. I have a few of their brushes, and they have these covers to them. And they are so adorable, the concept of the way they have them in these holders. And I want to keep them for myself, but what I do is I have put them in giveaway boxes when I send them off to the winner. Okay, the color is called On the Hill. On the hill, on the hill. Not over the hill or under. On. The Wonder Begins. Got all kinds of, they got all kinds of writing on this thing. Come on, let me see what's in here. It says it's lipstick. This is the same shape. I'll be darned. See, I'm not lying. All right. This is the shape of what I'm talking about. This exact shape here. If you pop it open, a brush comes out of it, because it has, you know, it's kind of like, you know, looks like this. You put your brush in there, you pop it open, and the brush comes out. These are caps to keep it clean. See? And they're shaped just like this. This is awesome. I didn't even know, and I was telling you guys about it. This is so cute. Let's see what's going on here. Oh. I was going to say, oh, it doesn't come out. Okay. Alrighty, check out this color. It's a bit red. That would be my horse riding days, but I don't have any more of those. That's a pretty color. And by the way, if anybody would want it, I mean, it doesn't have, I didn't even dent it. There's a real pretty impression in it that is their Base Blue logo. So, I'm just saying, is that magnet? Because I was twisting it. I'll be darned. See how easily I'm amused? If you're new here, you might have fun. If you don't have fun, I'll have fun for both of us. I have to find things to entertain myself. My husband works all day long in the other room. I'm limited at my interaction with him because he's busy. And I never know, on a drop of a dime, that computer's going to turn on and boom, zoom. There you go. So I stay in here. And then, you know, you guys are my only friends. I have no friends. My daughter's my best friend. But other than that, I've got no friends. I got 0 friends. Nobody likes me. I don't know. Maybe I'm too much for people. I wondered about that once in a while. What do you think? No? Okay. Screw that. You need to watch your mouth. She's all, screw them. Okay, this thing came in a little baggy. You need to just sit still over there. Behave yourself. That's my alter ego. It's my alter. She's sassy. She's sassy. You got to be careful with that one. Okay, this is by Millennial Beauty. This is the Hemp Cocoa, and it's a body scrub. It's a CBD coconut scrub. I don't think I have this one. I do have a cocoa scrub, but I don't think I have. Yeah, right there. It's going to be up there on that second shelf, but I don't think I have this. Oh my God. That smell, it smells like fresh coconut, not processed coconut. Does that make sense to you? Does that make sense? It smells like fresh coconut. Look at that. It's all grainy. You're going to get at least 5, sometimes 6 items. Oh, nice. This is from Medusa's Makeup. It's a Halo Glow face stick. It's got the plastic on it. Do I want to take that plastic off? But this is it right here. It's a Halo Glow in the color Astro. Some came off on the cap. So just tapping it back in there. Ooh. Let's see what Astro's all about. Kind of loose in there. Mercy. And you are not going to be able to see this. Dag nabbit. Check this out. Look at that. That's nice. Just pulling abadabs. Because I know I do that with products. She'll be all, look at, just look. I love it. She's such a doll. Anyhow, you see that shifting? It at one point turns a very deep blue, like a midnight blue. Okay, what else we got in here? Did we get the same brush? Look at. So I got a brush. It's a full size. These look like brushes that I used to do nails with. You could take them off and then turn them around. Put this inside the handle. This is by 1520. Okay. It's a CO2. I have a lot of brushes by them. But anyhow, see the rounded, and then because it is flat, this is like a packing. You can pack really good. But you know what we always say? You use a brush any way you want. Good catch, Lori. Again. And you caught it on camera. All right, what do we got in here? What else? What else? That's it. Just one more item. This is it. It's Sunday Brunch. Looks to me like it's a palette. By IBY. Influenced by you. Or was it inspired by you? It's either inspired by you or influenced by you. I think it was inspired. Either way, I got the B and the Y right. IBY Beauty. This is the Sunday brunch palette. Look at that. It's me and my girls. I don't even have girls, okay? Just that's me and my daughter. That's it. That's it. That's just us. Oh, those are pretty. Nothing bookends a perfect weekend like a Sunday brunch with your closest friends. Indulge in bottomless mimosas. Psh, sign me up. I start packing. And catch up with your girls while rocking playful but chic daytime glam. Each wearable shade in this collection, from cinnamon roll to double espresso, will elevate your look, whether you plan to just grab a quick bite or party on the patio all day freaking long. Some of those colors in there, look. Have some. Got stickers. Where you put stickers on things, like, for me, it's like child proofing. It's what I feel like. We're child proofing the items that go to Lori. Whatever. I'll still get into them. See? I'm allowed to run with scissors. Try it sometime. It can be fun. Oh my God, when the kids when they're younger. Mom, it's a go outside, go run with scissors. I think it shocked them. What? Mom said run with scissors. Okay, so the outside sleeve matches the palette. Oops, sorry. Oh, how pretty. So on the mirror it says relax and recharge, and it does say Sunday brunch on there. I don't know if that's on the sticker. Probably. No, it's on the mirror. And then in IBY fashion, how they always put their, their imprint in every other shadow. They're known for that. Look at those shades. That's gorgeous. That is absolutely stunning. This is beautiful. Beautiful. We got 5 products, which is the norm. That's basically the norm. There's your body cocoa CBD body scrub. You got your brush, which is very pretty. This is that aluminum all silver or chrome. This is gorgeous. A concealer packing brush. You can do clean a lot of messes up with some micellar, put some micellar water in your hand, drop a little in there. You've seen Rose Sayard do that. She does it all the time. Okay, and then this one's from Base Blue. This is the matte attraction lipstick on the Hill. This is cute. And then by Medusa, this is the Halo face stick. It's everything, you guys. As I mentioned, 5 items. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. You get 5 items in the box. And I think this is the $18.99 box. So the price was already on the screen way in the beginning of the video. But this is the $18.99. You do pay shipping. The shipping is not very much. I don't think it's more than $3, $4. And that's about it. I did like them, but something just kind of went wrong. And trying to get things resolved, there's only so much you can keep asking, and it just, when they just continue to play like they're asking the same question 3 different ways, enough's enough. And I just said, you know what, BOXYCHARM raised their prices, so I gotta get that money back from somewhere, and I chose Boxy and Ipsy. So anyhow, all right, you guys, thank you very much for spending a little bit of time with little old me. I greatly appreciate it, and you kind of know the drill. I will see you in my next video. Bye.